Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone's doing well. This is we're on lesson 13 this week. Only 2 more weeks, everyone. Hang in there. We'll be talking about conflict management, interpersonal communication, and personal strategy this week. We'll start off our agenda with a Did You Know piece of trivia, recap lesson 12, discuss the lesson 13 objectives, the assignments due for lesson 13, the HOA meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know that Elder Garrett G. Gong graduated from Oxford University and was a Rhodes Scholar? One of our newest apostles. All right, recap of lesson 12, the Patagonia lesson. Some things to think about with this lesson. Leadership matters. Yvon Chouinard had an unorthodox way of leading his team and his company, but it worked and it was very effective. Next, trust versus authoritarian rule. Yvon trusted his leaders and his company, and it had very positive effects on his company and financially and in other areas made them very successful. The next point is, why are we in business? Remember the Michael Cabby meeting where Yvon really had a revelation, so to speak, of what his company should be all about. And he reinvented his company and really gave them purpose and created a mission statement that they truly believed in and lived to the fullest. All right, let's get into lesson 13, conflict management, interpersonal communication, and personal strategy. We'll look at the results of poor communication, understand the principles of interpersonal relationships, and consider managing up as well as managing down. All right, the assignments that are due this week. You have a case study for Jamie Turner at MLI Inc. This is your last paper, so make it a good one. Complete your readings, The 5 Behaviors of a Dysfunctional Team. Hopefully you've all enjoyed this book. It's one of my favorites. Pages 195 to 222. Due on Saturday. Again, make sure you get your case studies done. Your HOA meetings, your group meetings done this week. Do your post to the reading discussion, and finally do your self-assessment. And then also, as I've mentioned earlier this week, that there is the course evaluation. So make sure you get that done. I will be meeting with groups 1 and 2 this week. Team leaders, you know the drill. And again, take advantage of your meeting time together as we wrap the course up. Try to connect everything that we've learned so far in the class. One final thought from Albert Einstein: a calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. Really some wise words from Albert Einstein. All right, everyone, have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you online. Bye-bye.